Afternoon, Nate Mullen, Lifetime Lighting Systems. I'm here to show you a little tip. So this is how my Polynesian comes from the factory. Just a weather brass finish just like this, real nice looking, real clean, really cool. But we take sandpaper to it and I'm able to get a finish like this. So it really adds some glimmer, some shine, gives it some contrast and different definition and something that nobody else has, and this looks fantastic. So you just take sandpaper. I can't tell you what grade it is because I just grab it out of my box. And then you just start sanding, okay? Probably do as much as you want or as little as you want. No technique here, just something that we've started doing, and you can see that. So haven't done much down there, and you can just see the differences. Maybe you don't want it a lot, maybe you want it more, right? And you can just see how cool that looks. Looks absolutely fantastic. Just gives it a whole new dimension. This one right here has been in the yard probably 6 months, so you can see it's a little bit duller than this guy because that's just a little bit more shinier. So it'll just bronze up and start looking like that. And I don't know, it's a great trick and I'm in love with this. So it's really cool. So don't have a name for it, but just add some glimmer. And anyway, thanks for paying attention. Look for more tips and tricks on the Lifetime Lighting Systems website. Thanks for paying attention.